Hi there, Hideout Hero. If you are watching this video, chances are that you are interested in the health, safety, and well-being of people at work. My name is Andrew de Pre, and I am a registered course facilitator, assessor, and moderator in the training industry in South Africa. I'm registered with several professional bodies and training authorities and have been doing this for the past 20 years or so. Some HSE professionals refer to risk assessment training as HIRA training. This can, however, be quite misleading, as risk assessment is not simply just a two-step process. There is a third, very important step in the process that simply cannot just be ignored. I therefore refer to this training as HIRARC training: hazard identification, risk assessment, and risk control training. This will be explained to you in detail during the course. It doesn't matter whether you are an HSE novice or an HSE professional who would like to refresh your existing knowledge and skills when it comes to risk assessments. You will find value on this course. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I look forward to going on this journey with you.